Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy, that's the Diesel Technician, man. Back with another fun video. I want to do a trick and see with this catapult wire stripper from Klein Tools, be able to strip the little insulation off of a bread tie. This is a very thin piece of wire. This is a bread tie. Well, let's see if we can do it. Let's see. Okay, we got it on. Let's see if we can remove it. Wow. Wow. It actually removed the insulation from a bread tie. And then, let's see if it can cut something this thin. This is a very thin wire. No problem. Thanks for watching.